Ever wondered how those slick animations come to life? Let's dive into my animation workflow in Adobe Animate first. The concept. I start with an idea, often sketching it out. This is where I brainstorm characters, backgrounds, and the overall story. Next, I create a new document in Adobe Animate, choosing the size and frame rate. Then, I build my assets. This involves creating characters, props, and backgrounds, usually using vector graphics for scalability. I organize everything within different layers. The fun begins with animation. I add keyframes to the timeline, marking significant changes between these keyframes. I set motion tweens or classic tweens to define smooth transitions, making characters alive based on what the scene needs. To create movement, I use techniques like motion path editing to define how objects move. I may also use different layers for depth and visual interest. A character in the foreground could be on a different layer than the background. Once animation is complete, I refine. I fix timing issues, add visual effects, and use colors to enhance the atmosphere. Finally, I export. The format depends on the project. That's my animation workflow. Hope this helps you produce amazing animations.